2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7 is on the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. Back charge. Open hands. 5, 6, 7. We're going to give her a 1.5 right. Bring her in on 1. Go over the head. 2, 3. Now on 4, this is going to flick down. And we're going to back charge 5. The left hand is going to catch the flick down behind the back on 6, 7. Guys, make sure we're off the slot to the left. Now we're going to let go of the right hand. Bring her forward with the left hand on 1. We're going to turn her again to the right on 2. Now we're going to accelerate over the head for a double turn and push through on 4 and 5. Catch the hand with the left hand. Back charge again. 6, 7 to the left. So now we're going to bring her in on 1. Connect it behind the back. 1. We're going to turn her to the right with the right hand as the guy's hook. 2. Keep pulling and let go. 3. We're going to connect back on 5. Now the hand's going to start going up because we're going to keep rotating her on 6. Step in place 7, stopping her turn. So now 1, we're going to catch the left hand and step to the side. 1. Now we're going to turn her to the left in place with both hands. 2. Finish with the right hand. 3. One more time. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a 1.5 right. Forward on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a 2.5 right. So we're going to go forward on 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to go forward on 1 for another 1.5 right. 2, 3, 5. We're going to keep turning to the right on 6, 7. Now we're going to take a step to the right on 1. Turn to the left on 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
What's up guys, it's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.